My husband and I hired Original Weddings, previously known as Sound Originals, for a wedding in July, and we worked with Eric. He was our videographer. He did an amazing job. He never made us feel awkward or like we were on camera or needed to pose, and he did a really great job of capturing the small moments as well as the big, exciting ones as well. He also had a lot of cool drone footage and detailed shots of greenery and flowers around the venue. The drone shots also were taken from up above and in the surrounding city and town that we were in, which is also really cool because that was an important spot to us, and it's nice to be able to go back and see that as well in the video. I think that he did a good job making it feel like it was the natural flow of the wedding day, which of course goes by so quickly. So being able to see it almost slowed down on the video makes you take a second and take in the moment as it was happening, and in the moment felt very, like a whirlwind. So I really appreciate the pacing and the flow of the video as well. It's something that we will continue to look back on for years to come, and I think that you should definitely consider working with them.